Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making my version, well I guess the other version of Dunkin' Donuts banana strawberry iced latte. Now I just made the daydream refresher and I accidentally put the espresso cubes in there and I was like, girl, what you doing? This is the refresher. So I'm like, let me just make the iced coffee. So it's just gonna be a little different. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. Okay, with the first one, I use strawberry cream to like coat around it. I don't have that much. I have like a real little bit. I'm gonna use this to incorporate inside the drink. So what I'm gonna use is my strawberry. See how this work out. I put it in the freezer so I can harden up a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna try to make the cold foam real quick. I'm gonna take my bananas. I had these in the freezer. Alright, I poured a majority of my water out of it. I'm gonna put it inside my food processor. If you want to put yours in the blender, you can. Banana extract, I don't have anymore for seed. I'm just gonna have to depend on these bananas. I'm gonna put a little bit of my fluff in there. And I'll put a little bit of my vanilla pudding mix. Put a drop of food coloring. Let's go ahead and process this real quick. This is how it looks once I process it. What I'm gonna do is put a little bit of milk in here, the regular milk, and process it a little bit more. Yeah, I tried to combine it, but yeah, this is how it came out. Like I said, if you have like a blender or something, it'll incorporate a little bit more. And I do smell like the banana, so yeah. Put this to the side. Okay, I had to put a lid on it and set it like upside down so the preserves could freeze in like this because it was like all going to the bottom and trying to freeze like that. No, I want you on the side. I'm gonna take some of my espresso cubes. Okay, I'm gonna use, excuse me. I'm gonna use the little bit I got in there. I'm gonna take this coffee I got in here. It's got like a teensy bit of milk, not much. Do got banana extra, cause I smelled that banana too. Okay, I guess it worked out, cause I did want banana over here. I'm gonna take this. I pull this aside. I'm gonna add some of the milk too, but I want to put it in here a little bit. Shake it a little bit more. Smart at it. I got a little bit in this top from earlier. Take it on out. Put it in here too. Alright, now I'm gonna shake it. Put it in there too. Alright, now I'm putting my, it's not even cold foam. I don't know what to call this right now. I'm gonna put it in though. That taste looks so pretty. Like a little mustard green, mustard orange, mustard yellow, hot mustard, a sweet mustard. Alright, I'm gonna try to drink it before I stir it first. That's how you know it's hitting when you drink it before you stir it. Enough talking. Ain't that banana? This is good. I do taste the coffee. I taste the banana. Now I'm gonna get strawberry. Let me stir it up. My goodness. I'm getting a parade on strawberries coming up, but I'm definitely tasting that espresso. But it tastes like, I still taste sweetness. It's not overly sweet, but sweet enough. You did your thing, girl. I like this one better than the refresher. Well, it's not really a surprise. I don't know if they got the iced coffee version of this. Maybe they've been digging. I know I got it though. Delicioso. This is good. You see how I provided that? I ain't had no whipping cream to make my cold foam. And you know the other ones, I used that, the regular whipped cream to make it. This time I didn't have any of it and it still came out good. We get that salt balance it out so it don't be too sweet. This is a 10. 10 out of 10, baby. What else I think brought it out the taste is that peak milk. I made that peak milk for probably like 1 or 2 of my other lattes. I tell you, it do it. Not saying that the regular milk won't do it, but that peak milk will. Real. I tell you, brought it up. So I can still get this a 10. 10 out of 10, baby. Make sure you like, share, and make this yourself too. Y'all bless it.